Welcome back to Kumudni's home garden, friends. This is my garden, and this Ixora plant, yellow Ixora, needs some admiration from all of us. This is Aparajita. I'm just checking on it as I have recently put some trellises with this, and the main topic is about chrysanthemum cuttings. These have been put in Cocopeat, friends. Checking the roots after about 15 days, and look at that, so beautiful. That's why I like growing my cuttings in Cocopeat. The medium is soft and the roots spread very easily. Putting it in a small container with proper soil mix, fertile and well draining. This is another one, and very nicely it has rooted. The soil mix is very fertile and well draining. In small container, it is important to put the saplings first so that they develop more nice roots. This is the second batch. I took about 8 cuttings, and I'm going to plant them in all these smaller containers. This is the soil, very well draining and fertile soil. Checking on another cuttings. This is hibiscus cutting, and this is feeling very firm. Let's take it out and check the root system. Oh, it's too early. The roots have not developed fully as yet. So putting it back, it will take another 15 days. These are more cuttings. They are completely in shade, and this is Lantana, this is Coleus. They are in complete shade. Checking on some more cuttings. This is firm, will do better. This is okay. This one is also okay. These are very easy to grow, so no problems. They took about 4-5 days only. These are porcelain and portulaca cuttings. This is Coleus. These cuttings are very easy. They've already taken root. This Lantana cutting is okay. This is in sand, and this is also doing okay. So these I am going to plant in small containers for the beginning, and then later on the plants will be transferred in their permanent pots. Look at the roots, how well they have developed in Cocopeat. Plant has grown also a little bit. So that was the information on cuttings, especially in Cocopeat. Please subscribe the channel if you are here for the first time. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy gardening.